動物の鳴き声、動物の鳴き声、動物の鳴き声。
Hello there, Japanese for Morons with Victor and
Tomoko です。
And this is a video response to Justmiyabi, who's just put out a video on animal sounds.
はい、動物の鳴き声。
And we have not seen the video, right?
まだ見てない。
We're going to go through a list of animal sounds. And let's start with the easy stuff. Okay, let's do first dogs. Okay? Number one, dogs. So in English, we say bow wow. We say arf, arf, or ruff-ruff, bark. Then the sound is bark. What about in Japanese?
ワンワン。
That's very good. Yukari, can you do a one-one?
ワンワン。
Okay, there you go. She's pretty good. That's more energy than okay. How about cats? Cats. Basic animal.
English?
In English, meow, meow, and purr. So if you rub them, they purr. Right. What about in Japanese?
にゃー、にゃ
Nyaa, nyaa.
ー、にゃー、にゃ
Really?
ー。
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you know, when I see the katakana, I recognize this from manga. Yeah, yeah. Okay, here's something interesting. In English, we have the expression as quiet as a mouse, but mice, we also say mice squeak. And in Japanese?
チューチュー。
Choo choo. Choo is also kiss.
ああ、そうだね。
So what's the difference?
ディフェレンス。ディフェレンス。
Say mouse.
チューチュー。
And what about
同
kiss?
じ。
Choo.
マウスだからマウスだからじゃない。違うか。そんな
What? That's親父ギャグ。
関係ない関係ない。親父ギャグでした。
So, kissing is chew,
チューする。
and mouse is chew.
チューチュー。
Choo, double sound.
Hey.
Okay, okay. Let's go for a basic bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And in Japanese?
チュンチュン。あ、似てるね。小鳥がチュンチュン。
We also tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet.
チュンチュン。やっぱチュンチュンだね、小鳥。
Okay, that's number 4. We'll have a list in the description, by the way. You can check that out and copy that. Okay. Duck. A duck is?
ガーガ
In English, quack, quack,
ー。
quack,
ワ
quack.
ンワン。
In Japanese, gaagaa.
ガーガ
That doesn't sound like a duck.
ー。
Are
ガ
you
ー
sure?
ガ
Are you
ー。
sure you're doing it right? You got it. Then give us duck sound.
ガーガー。ほら、ほら、ほら、ほら。
Doesn't sound like a duck to me. All right. How about pig? That's one of my favorites. Pig, like Maggie. Pig is oink, 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 oink. What about in Japanese?
ブーブー。
Yeah, people when they see Maggie, they say boo-boo because Maggie makes a snorting sound like a pig sometimes. Okay. Chicken is cheep or peep or cluck. In Japanese?
ピヨピヨ。
Pyo, pyo.
ピヨピヨ。ちっちゃいのね。ちっちゃいの。ひよこちゃんの。
Yukari, what's a chicken in Spanish? Pyo, pyo. Oh,
ピヨ
very
ピヨ。
similar.
同じじゃん。
Well, that's weird. Huh. What do you know? Maybe they stole it. Okay. Of course, a lion is kind of similar to a duck in Japanese. In English, roar.
Roar.
And in Japanese?
ガオー。ガオーだよ。
Cow is face, but gao.
ガオー。
That's not very scary. Sorry. Sheep, and it's baa-baa.
これ違
You know,
う
New
ね。
Zealanders like sheep.
え、ニュージーランドの？
Yeah, they like sheep.
ああ。え、they like sheep？
Yes.
うん、だって羊いっぱいいるでしょ？
Yeah, lots of sheep. They really like sheep.
うん。それが？
They really like.
何？
Okay, what is a sheep? What sound does a sheep make?
めーめ
Oh, and then when you teach children English in Japan, I always say sheep. When they can't remember gogatsu, I say, what's gogatsu in English? And they say, and they can't remember, I say sheep. And they say mei. Ah, mei. So that's the same. Okay. Okay. Snakes don't really make us. Oh, well, yeah, they hiss. 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 And in Japanese?
あんまり使わないけど、まあ、
So it's not the it's the sound of the moving.
うん、そうだね。
Do that again? That's pretty good. What about an owl? Hoot. Hoo hoo or hoot.
ほう、ほう。
Oh, ho ho. Okay. What about a rooster? That's a big one, a rooster. A rooster.
Mm.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
これが全然違うね。
Cock-a-doodle-doo in Japanese?
コケコッコー。
That's pretty similar.
そう？
What do you mean 全然違う？
え、だってクックドゥードゥルドゥでしょ？
You gotta say kokekoko.
コケコッコー。
She's pretty good. Okay. You want to keep your job, you better try.
Hey.
Crow, not Yukari, but Maggie once got in a fight with a crow, and they tumbled. It was really cool, I thought. But everyone else thinks it's disgusting that happened. But neither of them were killed, and they both escaped with scratches. Anyway, crow in English is caw, caw.
Ka.
Almost the same. There you go.
やっと同じのがあった。
Right. Here's one that doesn't exist in English, and that's the elephant.
パオー。
Pow. And that's the noise, huh? The noise, the nose, the nose, the
noise.
the noise of the nose. Pow.
パオー。
I want to say swing, but I think it's a different. It's physically similar, but no. Frog, ribbit, or croak. Croak, ribbit.
ゲロゲロ。
Ghetto, ghetto.
ゲロゲロ。
Now, ghetto also means throw up, right?
そう。
One, right? Ghetto. Get. Sometimes you say get means I'm going to throw up, right? You often say get actually when you're with me.
ギゲとか言うね。
What's that?
いやそれはただなんかびっくりした時の。
When you're surprised. Okay. Okay. What about? So anyway, ghetto, ghetto is frog.
ゲロゲロ。
Ghetto, ghetto. How about cow? Moo.
ああ。ムーなのね。も
Moo.
う。も
Moo. Very similar. Moo. And a horse in English we say neigh, or sometimes whinny, like
う。あ
whinny.
あ。
And a horse is kind of similar, huh?
ヒヒーン。
Hee
ヒヒーン。
hee. Hee. Okay. You know, we don't talk about this in English, but there's a cuckoo bird. The cuckoo bird in Japanese is pretty famous. Everyone knows this,
そう
right?
そうそうそう。
What is it?
カッコー。
Cuckoo. Oh, in English, cuckoo, cuckoo. In English, oh, very similar.
うん。
The cuckoo bird. And then there's other ones that are slightly less popular, like the bee. The bee goes buzz, buzzing around, buzz, the bee. And in Japanese, what is it?
ブーン。
Boom. Okay, I can see that. And a dove. Coo, coo. So,
ククククク
that sounds
ク。
like a cuckoo.
え？
Cuckoo.
うん、ハトね。
Coo, coo. Really?
多分。
But the coo, cuckoo, cuckoo.
クククク。
But we go coo, coo.
あ
Our doves are more relaxed. Your doves are kind of hyper. Okay. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. There's a list in the bottom there, so you can check that out and you can study along with us. We don't use these in daily conversation, right?
あ。うん、あんまり使わない。子供用に使うか
But
な。
but they're great for kids, and they will appear and sometimes once in a while. Oh, and sometimes we use them to talk about animals, like wanchan.
ああ、あ
The wanchan is a dog,
あ。うん、ワンちゃ
but
ん。
you don't say nyaa-chan, right?
うん、言
For
わ
a
ない
cat.
ね。うん、猫ちゃんだもん
Yeah,
ね。
neko-chan. So anyway, there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone.
ありがとうございます。
You got any goodbye noises?
ワンワン。
Oh, there you go.
ワンワン、ねえねえ。